Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a wandering split cup straight pour, jiggle pour. I don't know, I will play with it and I will use my modular split cup that you can buy on Fluid Art Co. I will put link into the description box if you are maybe interested in having one. It's a silicone one, it's a really good product, so I will put some links to videos where I explain how to use it more in the description. And because it has flexible, you can have 1 to 6 chambers and you have alternate how big they are. So today I will have 2 small chambers on the sides and 2 bigger ones in the middle, and see if something different will happen. And I will pour my pearl white mixture in both of the outside chambers that are smaller, and in the middle, in one I will pour, this is azo yellow medium, vermilion hue and pyrrole red, and here I have Prussian phthalo blue, greenish blue and turquoise, and we will see what will happen. So I will pour this turquoise here first, and then some greenish blue. I will just layer those colors in, and I'm working on 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I will drizzle just some titanium white here in between, not pearl white, just titanium white, just to maybe add a little more shades of this kind of turquoise palette. And I will just repeat those colors. Okay, and here I will start with yellow on the bottom and vermilion, and this pyrrole red, and I will drizzle some white here also. If you have any questions about the cup, you can, of course, check my links into the description or ask me in the comments. I will try to answer it. Okie doke. And here, as I said, I will add just pearl white on both sides. I just hope that it will not be too much pearl white. Why pearl white? Because I'm hoping for some effects from it. Okie doke. So I think that I want my orientation to be landscape, not portrait. So I will try to pour my cup out to have this in my mind. Maybe it will change through the pouring, and I have my canvas on spinner if I want to spin while I will do that. So let's see what will happen. Oop. So I will basically just travel a little bit around. And you see, when I go to this side, there is much more pearl white. And when I go up to this side, there is more colors from the middle. I still didn't get any other colors out than the top two. So I will try to wander with at the beginning, and then I will try to do kind of a tree or something. There is so many blobs in this paint. What is going on? Or maybe I will just do those feathers. Which color is this? When it's cold, it gets so hard for me to pour. Maybe I will go just with feathers this time, I don't know. We will see. Where are the other colors? Totally something different that I was expecting. So let me pour this flow extender around and till this out and see what will happen. We can still refill the cup if the pattern will not be something that I will like, and do some more. It's just weird that the colors just didn't show as I hoped. Yeah, I will refill my cup because just not my cup of tea. So Really like how this looks, so especially this part here. I will take it down that you will see before I will stretch this out, and then my hand is shaking, you can probably see. You see, this part is just gorgeous. So let's see. Definitely this is my center part. I don't know which orientation I prefer, but this is just gorgeous. And all this transparency with the pearl white. I wonder how this will look if I add, I don't know, black or something. This is like a fish or something. But with the pearl white, I really love the parts with transparency that you get. You know, I don't know. This orientation or this one. I think this one. Which orientation you prefer? The first or the second one? I wish that I would get more of this. This was with straight pour and this is with jiggle pour, so definitely different. And I will again say that I am more fan of this feathery looking straight pour than a jiggle one, but I don't know, I'm happy with this one. Turned out kind of minimalistic, but I like it. So this was it for today. Tell me what you think about it. Don't forget to check out Fluid Art Co. if you want your own split cup, and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!